Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 1.7 from the chapter Decimals. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to multiply the decimal numbers. See the first question. In the first question, just we are going to keep the decimal point alone. Put the decimal point in the correct places. Already the answer is given. According to the given decimal places in the question, we are going to keep the decimal points in the answer. See the first question, 8 into 0.2. Here 8 2s are 16 and the answer is given. We are going to keep the decimal point alone. In the question, how many decimal places are there? Here only one decimal place. After the decimal point, only one digit is there. So, in answer also we need only one decimal place. So, from the last, before one digit we have to keep the decimal point. Here 8.8 into 0.26 is 1.6. Okay. See the next question, 0.03 into 9. Here how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So, in the answer also we need 2 decimal places. So, from the last, before 2 digits, here 1, 2, before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. Here the whole number part is 0. So, 0.03 into 7 is 0.27. See the next one, 1.05 into 3. Here the answer is 315. In question, 2 decimal places. So, in answer also we need 2 decimal places. So, from the last, before 2, 1, 2, before 2 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. It will become 3.15. Okay, the next one, 1.3 into 50. Here in question, only one decimal place. So, from the last, before one digit, we have to keep the decimal point. It will become 6.65.0. Otherwise, it will become as a whole number 65. The decimal part is 0. So, we can write as 65. Here the next one, 0.16 into 4. Here we are having 2 decimal places. So, from the last, before 2 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. Then the whole number part is 0. Then the number will become 0.64. 0.64 is the answer. Here only one decimal place. So, we need one decimal place in answer. So, from before one digit from the last, we have to keep the decimal point. Then the answer is 10.5. Okay. The next question, find the product. We are going to multiply the decimal numbers. Here 0.2 and 3. While multiplying a decimal number, we have to consider the decimal numbers as a whole number. So, I am going to take 0.2 as 2 into 3. Here the answer is 6. 2 into 3, 6. Now, I am going to write the answer for 0.2 into 3. The answer is 6. In the question, we are having only one decimal place. So, from the last, before one digit, we have to keep the decimal point. So, the whole number part is 0. The answer is 0.6. Here also, I am going to take 1.2 as 12 into the second number 8. 12 into 8, 96. We got the answer 96. Now, I am going to write the answer for the given question 1.2 into 8. Here only one decimal place is there. So, in the answer also we need one decimal place. So, from the last, before one digit we have to keep the decimal point. So, the answer is 9.6. See the next one, 0.06 into 8. So, we have to take us 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. Now, I am going to write the answer for the given question 0.06 into 5. Okay. Here how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So, in the answer also we need 2 decimal places. So, from the last, before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. Then it will become 0.30. So, For the last 0, there is no value, so we can write as 0.3. So 0.3 is the answer. Was it clear, children? The next question, multiply. Here also we are going to multiply the decimal number. Here first I am going to take 5.08 as 508 and the second number is 15. While multiplying the numbers, we have to consider the decimal number as whole number. First, I am going to find the product of 508 and 15. 5 8s are 40. 0 here, 4 carry over. 5 into 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 5 5s are 25. Now, we have to leave the ones place. While multiplying a number by 1, we will get the same number. 0 and 5. Now we have to add the numbers. 0, here 8 plus 4, 12, carry over 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. Here 2 plus 5, 7. Now I got the answer for 508 into 15. Now I am going to write the answer for 5.08 into 15. We got 7,620. Here in the given question, how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So in the answer also we need 2 decimal places. So from the last, before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. So 76.20 is the answer. For the last 0 there is no value. So we can write 76.2. This is the answer for the given question. Then second one, 0.083 and 48. First, I am going to find out the product of 83 and 48. 8 3s are 24, 4 here, 2 carry over. 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 2, 66. Now we have to leave the ones place. 4 3s are 12, 2 here, 1 carry over. 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33. Now we have to add these two. 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 3, 9, 3. We got 3,984. Now I am going to write the answer for the given question, 0.083 into 48. Okay, 3,984. How many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places are there in the given question. So from the last, before 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. So the answer is 3.984. The next question, 0.0046 into 73. Now I am going to take 46 into 73. Find the product of this. 6 3s are 18. 8 here, 1 carry over to the next place. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Now we have to leave the ones place. 6 7s are 42. 2 here, 4 carry over to the next place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Now we have to add these two. Here 8, 3 plus 2, 5. Here 1 plus 2, 3. Here 3. 3,358. This is the product of 46 and 73. Now I am going to write the answer for the given question, 0.0046 into 73. Okay, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places. So in the answer also we need 4 decimal places. So from the last, before 4 digits, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Before 4 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. Here the whole number part is 0. So the answer is 0.3358 is the answer. Is it clear, children? While multiplying a decimal number, we have to take as a whole number. We have to find the product. Then in the answer, we have to make the decimal point. Is it clear? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.